Grandma!
Oh my gosh! Thank you!
Welcome, Mama.
Oh,
Mama, it's
thank
heavy.
you.
Don't carry it. It's heavy. It's
Oh,
very
thank
heavy.
you, Kuya!
It's very
Oh,
heavy. Wait
thank
lang.
you. Missed you. So cute. Wait lang, wait. I'll put this down first. It's so nice.
Thank
Oh
you.
my gosh. I did. Oh, thank you.
Thank you, Mommy. Mom.
Thank you.
Oh.
Oh, I'm so happy. Thank you. Oh, can I see?
Here, Mama.
Oh, this is super pretty. Thank you.
Thank you, Mama.
Wait, I knew there were flowers. I didn't know about. Can I see?
There.
Love, Mom. Oh, Mom, you rule.
Uh-huh.
Best mom ever. Love you, Mom. Love you, Mom. Oh, thank you.
Welcome, Mama.
Happy Mother's Day. Best mom ever.
Uh-huh.
Thank you. I missed you.
I miss you, Kuya.
Oh, thank you guys. And this is so nice.
Hello po, Miss Chris Aquino. Maraming salamat po. May pambili na po kami ng gatas ni Zion po. Thank you po. Na-receive ko na po yun kanina. Thank you po. God bless po. Hello, Ma'am Chris. Maraming salamat po. Salamat po at kami ang isa sa mga napili ninyo. Meron na po kaming karagdagang pambili ng gamot niya at mga iba pa niyang pangangailangan. Naway, pagpalain pa po kayo ng Panginoon. And get well soon po, Ma'am Chris. Hindi niya lang po alam kung gaano kasi yung nanay ko nung nalaman niya na isa siya sa mga napili. Kaya maraming salamat po ulit, Ma'am Chris. Ma, mag-thank you ka na. Salamat po ulit.
Hi Chris! Maraming salamat sa blessing na binigay mo. Nandito ako ngayon sa nanay ko. Ito yung nanay ko. Salamat ka mo.
Salamat.
Chris Aquino.
Salamat, Chris Aquino. Salamat.
Ito po, bali yung pera, ito po, ginamit na namin. Maraming salamat.
Hello po, Miss Chris. Thank you po. Na-receive ko na po yung 5K na binigay niyo po. Happy Mother's Day po and good health po. Thank you po.
Ako po, taas puso napapasalamat sa inyo dahil isa po ako sa mga napili po, nabibigyan niyo po. Hindi ko po talaga inakala dahil sa sobrang dami po namin yan na nagko-comment. Isa po ako sa mga napili ninyo.
Hi po, Miss Chris Aquino. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you for your generosity, for sharing your blessings, and for continuously being an inspiration to us. We will include you in our prayers for your healing and for a peaceful heart. Again po, maraming salamat at maligayang araw ng mga nanay.
Maraming salamat po sa napadala mo. Malaking tulong po sa amin. Sana po bigyan ka pa ng malakas na pangkatawan para marami ka pang matulungan. God bless po.
I would just like to say thank you po, not only for the Mother's Day gift na na-receive namin, but also for inspiring a lot of women like us. Sana po na-realize ninyo kung gaano nakaka-good vibes yung manood sa inyo, just to watch you, whether it's a regular talk show, or sa mga movies, or kahit yung pang-araw-araw na videos po. Please know that a lot of people are praying for you, for your health, for your family, because you're such a wonderful person. Thank you po ulit. Happy Mother's Day!
Hi Ma'am Chris, magandang gabi po sa inyo. Nakuha ko na po yung napanalunan ko. Maraming salamat po kasi isa po ako sa napili niyong manalo. Hindi ko po to in-expect. Sana po marami pa kayong matulungan. At God bless sa inyo at sa pamilya niyo. Keep safe. Thank you.
Isa po ako sa nanalo sa 5,000. Maraming salamat po at kasama ko po pala ngayon ang aking mama.
Hello po, Ma'am Chris. Magandang gabi po. Maraming salamat po sa pagkakataon na nabigyan po kami ng 5,000 pesos po. Maraming salamat po. Malaking tulong po ito para sa amin. God bless you po.
Always po.
Always. Sana marami pa kayong matulungan.
Can't thank you enough for this blessing, still in Oppo up until now, because I really didn't expect that my post will be chosen as one of the winners among those thousands who participated. More blessings to you po, Miss Chris, and to your whole family. Stay safe. Love ya.
Thank you po, Miss Chris. Prayers for your good health always. God bless you po.
Hello po, Ma'am Chris. Maraming salamat po dahil isa po ako sa mapalad na napili nyo para sa aking mama sa Mother's Day. Naway marami pa po kayong matulungan dahil sa busilak po ng inyong puso. Muli maraming salamat po and God bless po and stay healthy po.
Hello po, Miss Chris Aquino. Maraming salamat po kasi isa po ko sa napili ninyo at yung Sir Alvin na manalo. Thank you so much po talaga and get well soon po. May you continue sharing your blessings to others po and Happy Mother's Day po. Thank you!
Thank you so much po for choosing me as one of your winners. Na-receive ko nang po pala yung gift nyo. And I am hoping na sana gumaling na po kayo. Get well soon po. And thank you ulit so much. Happy Mother's Day po!
Thank you, Miss Chris. Na-receive ko na ang prize. Happy Mother's Day. Love, love, love.
Salamat, Miss Chris Aquino, sa love gift na bigay niyo para sa inay ko. Aking tulong po ito para makabili siya ng mga vitamins pang hindi po siya magkasakit sa kabila ng sobrang pagod niya sa pag-aalaga sa akin. Panalangin din po namin ang kalusugan ng inyong pong pamilya, lalo na po sa inyo, Miss Chris.
Blessed day, Miss Chris. Thank you po for sharing your blessings with all of us. Happy Mother's Day po uli and sana po manatili kayong healthy at saka ang inyong mga mahal sa buhay. God bless po and thank you again.
Ang Chris, maraming salamat po at napili po niyo yung aking comment. Rest assured po at natanggap po na rin po yung 5,000K. Thank you very much po and I pray for your good health, more blessings to come. I know you're such a person with a very big and generous heart. Mabuhay po kayo. Salamat po.
Hi Miss Chris, maraming salamat po sa 5,000 pesos. Ang paggagamitan ko po nito ay ibibigay ko sa aking ate na tumayo bilang aking ina simula nung namatay na yung biological mom namin. At maraming salamat po muli sa malaking tulong na ito para maging masaya siya ngayong Mother's Day. Maraming salamat po and God bless!
Hi Miss Chris! Thank you so much po sa Mother's Day niya sa nanay ko. Malaking tulong na po yun para sa kanyang pag-dialysis. Nag-undergo po siya kasi ng dialysis 3 times a week. So malaking tulong na po yun. God bless you po sa more blessing po para sa inyo. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you!
She's the sweetest. Thank you. 59 Flower Cafe. Pwede naman i-name drop. We met her because Vice Gov Leviste sent nung birthday ko, and it's really the perfect shade of pink. So, hinanap natin siya, right? And then we started ordering from her, and then, ganito yun, kasi, I like surprises, but I like choosing my surprises. Yeah. So, dinikta ko. Sabi ko, I'm sure magsa-surprise kayo, but gusto ko shades of pink. Alam niyo na yan. So, but this I did not know at all.
Okay, Mama.
So, but the flowers I dictated, I said pink. So, and then, but this, ito, I did not know because I was asking for this and wala. And then she produced. Wow.
Just magic power.
I know, right? Thank you. And then yung you're the cutest.
You're the cutest est.
Thank
Cutest
you.
est.
And then she found, because this is my favorite shade. Ano ang name na to? Okay, the shade that I like, it's Novia. I don't know how you pronounce it. Novia? I don't know. But basta that's my favorite shade. Pero nagawa ng paraan. And she found me pink. Wala yung pink. Ang alam ko, pero nahanap. I don't know how she did it. Wow.
Mom Cheryl is, she's the best.
No, I mean, no, there are a lot of good ones. Petalier, I love them also. Glass House, I love them. But she managed to create magic. Yeah. So, the balloons came from Party Station Philippines. Oh yeah, Party Station Philippines because, yes, very close to sila ni Alvin. Kasi, those are the flowers you gave. Not flowers, the balloons you gave to Ate Anika.
Yes.
And then, we discovered that because nung birthday ko, those really nice ones, diba? Shopee gave, and then, nakukulit sila ni Alvin. And they deliver all the way where we are right now. So, and this is really so pretty.
Thank you, Mama.
Thanks, guys, because I know you paid for this.
Yummy.
Yeah, I know.